Guys, it's me Wolfie. So this is a really long video. And actually no, this can be short because I only have 9%. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna play Mobile Legend. I deleted this like a month ago. No, a year ago. No, a month. Yeah, month. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're here. Let's open this. Okay, that's okay. That's pretty okay. Anyway, that's okay too, I guess. Probably not, I guess. Probably. Yeah, that's good. Now, we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna be back when it's done. Okay, it took like a minute, or like, that took like 2 minutes. Yeah, it took 2 minutes.
Shao Dragonborn is here. What's your name, boy?
What's your name, boy? Such a funny name. What? Wait, that's not that. Don't mean funny name. Thingy. Speech. That's a funny name. Let's take a while.